You can keep telling me anything you want to tell me about the property.
Oh yeah, well, it is 7.5 acres. It's straight back here, and there's all kinds of little. This is kind of used to be kind of a playground. When it rained, there would be a little creek running through there, and so that's where we would jump in and go swimming. But this part of it used to be the cow pasture. And my mom kind of turned it into a park. This is an overflow from the lake. And my dad had it so that if the lake got too high, it would flow into here, and there's a culvert that runs through here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And dumps into this part, which then dumps in at some point to the Little Blue River.
And this is still part of the property back here?
Yeah, this is what we call the low meadow. And over here in front of us is the pond that we were talking about.
Okay. That's on your property?
Well, actually, I think it's...
Where those posts are is the edge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Creek I was telling you about, and this runs all the way, I don't know how far that way it goes. I used to play in it when I was a kid, but it also runs out then and connects up at some point with the Little Blue. And the other side of this creek also
Gotcha. But it's another acre of this 7?